Introducing the world's first curved auto-darkening welding filter. The 3M Speedglas G502 welding helmet. Its wider field of view allows you to better see what's on either side of you during welding, providing you a wider auto-darkening view, so you can keep the helmet in the safe down position. But to get wider views in a slim helmet design, we had to reinvent the auto-darkening welding filter. How? By curving it. With a curved design, you can position the helmet closer to your eyes, which allows for a better view of your arc. Great clarity not only before and after, but also during welding with our popular 3M Speedglas natural color technology. Although the G502 helmet is TIG optimized, it works great with most arc welding processes. Task your craft to a new level and experience our latest comfortable safety.